How can this laptop help me multitask in a busy cafe in the middle of London? Let's find out. With photo and video editing AI on this ASUS Zenbook, it's so easy to bring your ideas to life with impressive Intel Art graphics, or even get some complex multitasking done without being slowed down. With Intel Unison, you can connect your mobile or tablet, making things like transferring files and photos a breeze. And once you get stuck into the editing process, some groundbreaking AI features save you time and effort. I can easily transcribe the blog I made and then remove all pauses from the transcript, and it even updates it in the timeline too. This process is totally seamless with the powerful Intel Core Ultra processor. And take a look at this. You can have a dual screen setup perfect for multitasking on the go. And if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can either use the keyboard or pull out the ASUS pen. It's also got an amazing all-day battery life, so you can enjoy the great outdoors for longer without having to plug in.